Good morning, everybody. On this beautiful rainy morning, I wanted to add one thing to this video before we get started. I got 5 new logos for this season's Life on the Road, I'm calling it. So I can make a new playlist just for those. I'll still have the one with our full stuff, but yeah, season 2, Life on the Road. So I'm going to show you all 5 logos. I want you guys to vote for which one you think is the best, and I will use it this season. You'll see the numbers up at the top of the corner of each picture. Just go ahead in the comments below. Go ahead and say what number you would like to see as the logo for this season. All right, guys, have a good one. It is November 17th. We actually planned on leaving on the 15th of November, but we did not do that. We went to and had a tire that was low, got too late, so we didn't leave then. So we went to leave the 16th, and one of our belts broke, and we couldn't get the right belt right away, but we are all fixed up. We are ready to go. I'm done working, been working like mad, ready to start making these videos again. I'm sorry that took a while. I just decided to screw it until the videos were on and done. But let's get loaded up. There it is. All hooked up with our new dolly, our new little trail bag, our bicycle rack, and ready to get this show back on the road.
And your mother?
And my mother. Bye, Mother. Thank you for being a sport.
Oh, a sport.
Sharing her property with us. Welcome. You can have it back.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yep. Yep. Oh, my grandmother. Goodbye, Grandma. I love you. I was going to do an interview with her. She's gotten pretty bad off. She's ready to go, so I didn't do that. But that's where she lives still. Full time. RV on her own. Been doing it forever. Still does it. Yeah. So, yeah. I love you, Grandma. Everybody said goodbye. So, yeah. I'm ready for this. As that's dumping there, I just wanted to share with you guys this free RV dump station. Well, actually, they have a donation box right there you can donate. So I recommend it to you. I've used it a few times. This is at Cook Road in Mount Vernon, Burlington area. It's right by, it's the exit before the Thousand Trails, Bow Hill. So if you're in this area in Northwest Washington and you need a dump, there's a dump station. You literally got off the freeway right there's the off ramp, and you come down this hill and you turn, and you are at the Cook Road Shell Station here. So Pacific Pride Shell Station. Yep. So keep that in mind if anybody uses their dump. There's a free one. Well, since we've been mooch stocking at my mom's, you know, our tank gets a little full and everything else, and it's been about a week, so we need a dump, and I don't want to carry all that excess weight down the road. So as soon as we get this going, we're going to get on I-5 South and hit the trail going down to Centralia, and Chehalis, Washington is our destination for the day. Also, you can also get propane here. There's big bays for fueling. It's a truck station. They got pretty good food inside. It's the best gas station food from here to Seattle. I know that. I used to work up, I don't know, 16 miles up the road in Bellingham, and I drove moving trucks for years, and this is always a prime destination to stop. They got turkey legs and all kinds of goodness inside. So, yeah. If you're coming through this way, I recommend stopping. This is a good spot. It's the Pacific Pride Shell Station, Cook Road exit, just as you leave Burlington, heading north on I-5. Just getting down to the end of our gray tank draining. They do have water lines and such for you. It's not drinking water, so it's just a rinse everything. So yeah, I like how they did this dump station because it's all down a little hill, so everything drains down and into it. And on top of that, some people make a mess and will leave it. This one at least goes down and drains into the hill, so you won't get a mess laying around. But still, I rinse out my hose with the water after I'm done, and I recommend spraying the area. Be courteous to other people when you do so. It helps out. Thank you. Chehalis, Washington. This is our first stop. We're going to be here for a couple days because we got a windshield fixed in Portland. We've got cracks on both sides and that kind of stuff. So we'll be here for a couple days, and then we're heading to Portland. There we get our windshield fixed, visit some friends and family, and then we are heading down the 101. So we've been crazy busy. Well, I was working like 12-hour days, and when I wasn't working at work, I was working on projects at home or my mom or things with the RV, so it was just so crazy and hectic. I didn't do videos for a while there, but I promise you guys I'm back up on them, and I've missed them. I've missed you guys. I'm glad to be back. We're so happy to be on the road. We don't sit anywhere that long ever, so that was huge. You will be seeing a lot more of us, and we're glad to have you back on here, and we are glad to be back on the road. This is where we belong. This is our home. It feels good. It feels really good. I should be back to putting about at least a video a week, if not 2, and sometimes 3 like I used to. I did have a couple that I was working on, and I'll try to get those done, but I just wanted to get this one up and out so you guys knew that we are back out today. Yeah, like I said, we were supposed to leave the 16th, and then it changed to the 17th because of the alternator problem. Well, because of the belts that broke, and then the bolt broke off from the alternator, and the place gave me the wrong belt, and it just became more and more of a headache. So we had ended up eating a couple days there, but we are all fixed up and purring like a kitten. So on our way. All right, guys, we'll be seeing you down the 101. I will get back to you here in a couple days. I'll do some more recording here tomorrow and the next day and stuff like that. So there's gonna be a lot more videos coming. I got a lot more free time, especially for the next few weeks, because I need a break. All right, well, this is Sagan with Future Implemented. Thanks for being patient. Glad to have you back. Thanks for staying with us. We'll be seeing you soon with lots of great videos coming out.